The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children. An inspiring quote says that follow your passion and be prepared to hard work because hard work pays off, which means if we do hard work, definitely we will get a good result. If you have a passion and if you are working for it, definitely that is going to happen in your life. So, if we have goals in our life, definitely we have to work hard for that. Then only we can achieve the goals in our life. Okay. So, my dear children, please imbibe this quote and do accordingly. Definitely you can achieve all your goals, all your passion in your life. So, welcome back to the class. Shall we begin the class? Okay. So, in the previous class, Amala teacher had taught you about the taxonomic hierarchy in animals. And today, we are moving on to the taxonomic hierarchy in plants. So, now you all are familiar with the various levels of classification, isn't it? Like species, genus, family, order, then class, phylum, kingdom. This is the taxonomic hierarchy, isn't it? So, Carl Linnaeus proposed the taxonomic hierarchy and he classified plants also in different levels of classification from species to kingdom. So, you know that in our textbook, it is revised every 3 years, it is revised, isn't it? In the same manner, the taxonomic hierarchy also in course of time revised, but still we are following the basic levels of classification. Okay, so now we are going to study about the taxonomic hierarchy in plants. Okay. Like animals, there are lots of plants also in the biosphere, isn't it? And all the plants are coming under the kingdom Plantae, that is plant kingdom. All animals are coming under animal kingdom. Similarly, all plants are coming under plant kingdom. So, here we will be discussing the taxonomic hierarchy of two plants, that is the coconut tree and mango tree. Okay, so the various levels of classification is more or less same in plants and animals, only a slight change is there. When we compare to animals, a slight change is there in the case of plants. Only in animals, the order is there, isn't it? In various levels of classification, order is there. But in plants, instead of order, it is series. That is the only change in the various levels of classification. So, let us discuss the various levels of classification in coconut tree. First, we will discuss coconut tree, then we will move on to mango tree. Okay, you can see it here. So, the kingdom of coconut tree is Plantae, plant kingdom, that is Plantae, and the next step or the next level is phylum, and phylum is Angiospermophyta. Okay, you have to listen carefully. Angiospermophyta. With the textbook, you have to listen to the video. Then you can understand the pronunciation as well as the spellings. Okay, so phylum Angiospermophyta. And what's the next level? Next level is class. So class is Monocotyledonnae. The class of coconut tree is Monocotyledonnae. Then the next level of classification is series. Okay, so series of coconut tree is Calycinae. Okay, Calycinae. Then the next one is family. Family Araceae. Okay, the family of coconut tree is Araceae. Then the genus Cocos and species Nucifera. So this is the taxonomic hierarchy of coconut tree. Kingdom Plantae, then phylum Angiospermophyta, then class Monocotyledonnae, then order Calycinae. Instead of order in plants, it is series. So series Calycinae, then family Araceae, then genus Cocos and species Nucifera. Understood? So here the important thing is the pronunciation and spellings. So the pronunciation is very important. When I was conducting the examination, many of the children are not pronouncing the terms properly. It is only because you are not listening to the videos properly. Okay, so listen to the videos carefully and understand the pronunciation, and when you study repeatedly, you read and study, so the pronunciation will become thorough. And write and study in the order. The spellings also you should learn. So I hope you have understood the taxonomic hierarchy of coconut tree. So next we will move on to the taxonomic hierarchy of mango tree. Okay, so you can see it here. So the kingdom is Plantae, then the phylum is the same Angiospermophyta, and the class is different here. The class of mango tree is Dicotyledonnae. Okay, Dicotyledonnae, and the series is Sapindales. Series Sapindales, then family Anacardiaceae. Okay, family Anacardiaceae, then genus Mangifera and species Indica. So this is the taxonomic hierarchy of mango tree. So as I told you earlier, all these are not familiar for you. First time you are hearing all these words. So listen to the video carefully and understand the pronunciation and write and study. Then the spellings also will be thorough. Okay. So you will study now. Okay, very good. I know you all are very good children. Okay. So shall we move on to the next topic? So the next topic is diversity in names. So many of you have nicknames, isn't it? Like Ammu, Chinnu, Ponnu, Kunni, like that. Many of you have nicknames at home. But when you come to school, you are known in other names, isn't it? But when somebody come here to the school, like your relatives come to school and they inquire about you with your nickname, what will happen? Sometimes we may not be knowing who is that, isn't it? Because you are known in another name in school. So in the same manner, the plants and animals also known in various names. Many of the plants and animals known in various names. For example, papaya. Papaya is very familiar for everybody. We all like papaya, isn't it? So the papaya is known in various names like Carmosa, Omacea, like that. So it is very difficult. If I don't know Carmosa is papaya, when somebody asks me about Carmosa, I'll become blank, isn't it? Because I don't know, I will not be able to identify which plant it is. In the same manner, Chembotha, you all know Chembotha. Chembotha is also known in different names like Uppan, Chagoram, like that. Then a plant Vatta is also known as Podikunni, then Vatta, like that it is known in various names. And you know that centipede, Paridara, Karing Kunnan, Karing Kanni, like that and all, in different names, Chedumburam. So the centipede or Paridara is known in different names, isn't it? But if the person who don't know all these names, how can we identify which plant or which animal it is? It is very difficult, isn't it? So, in order to solve this problem, that is the issues arising out of an organism being known in various names, Carl Linnaeus proposed a scientific naming method known as binomial nomenclature. Okay, so binomial nomenclature is a method of naming organisms by joining two words. Okay, so by joining two words means by joining the genus name and species name of an organism. Understood? For example, we will take the scientific name of mango tree. Okay, the scientific name of mango tree is Mangifera indica. Okay, Mangifera indica. So here you can see the two words Mangifera and indica. So these two words indicates the genus name and the species name. The first word, that is Mangifera, indicates the genus name and the indica indicates the species name. So, by joining the genus name and species name, we can give a scientific name to an organism, a plant or an animal. Okay, so you have learned already the taxonomy hierarchy of cat. So, what is the scientific name of cat? Felis domesticus. So, Felis is the genus name and domesticus is the species name. Understood all of you? So, by implementing the binomial nomenclature, all the organisms are known in same name all over the world. So, if we say Felis domesticus, everybody can understand it is cat. And if we say Mangifera indica, everybody can understand it is mango tree. So, according to binomial nomenclature, the scientific name of human beings is Homo sapiens. Homo is the genus name and sapiens is the species name. Understood? So, in the textbook, 3 organisms scientific names is already given. That is the golden shower, Kanikonna. Its scientific name is Cassia fistula. Then the scientific name of crow is also given and it is Corvus splendens. Then the scientific name of cow is also given there, that is Bos taurus. Okay, and a table has given there in the textbook and in that many organisms names also have given. Okay, so try to find out the scientific names of those organisms. Peacock, like peacock is there, then neem is there, then paddy is there, dog is there, okay, elephant is there. So, I will give some more examples, that is 1 or 2 names I will give, rest of the names you try to find out and anyhow will be given in the video, okay, but you try to find out. So, the scientific name of elephant is Elephas maximus and peacock is Pavo cristatus. Okay, then dog is Canis familiaris, then paddy is Oryza sativa, the name is Azadirachta indica, like that it is. Okay, so try to find out the scientific names and you have to study those scientific names. Okay, so these are little bit difficult, the terms, isn't it? But when you read it many times, definitely these words will become thorough for you, and when you write and study, you will learn the spellings also. Okay, so please take a little effort, then definitely all these portions will become very easy for you. So will you do that? Okay, so now I am winding up this session. So see you in the next class. Until then, this is your Maya teacher signing off.